Welcome to our channel. This video will cover the topic of Write Reports Like a Boss. 5 Essential Techniques. In this video, we will provide you with 5 essential techniques to help you become a report writing boss. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply looking to enhance your skills, these techniques will elevate the quality and impact of your reports. Join us as we dive into the world of effective report writing and learn how to write reports like a true boss. Welcome to Write Reports Like a Boss. 5 Essential Techniques. Writing reports can often be a daunting task, but fear not. In this video, we will equip you with the necessary tools to ensure your reports are powerful, thorough, and professional. Are you ready to take your report writing skills to the next level? Let's get started. Technique 1. Clear objective and structure. The first technique to becoming a report writing boss is to establish a clear objective and structure for your report. Before starting, identify the purpose of your report, whether it's to inform, persuade, or analyze. Determine key sections, such as the introduction, body, and conclusion, that will convey your message effectively. Technique 2. Effective research and data analysis. The second technique is all about conducting effective research and analyzing data. A well-researched report holds more weight and credibility. Utilize reliable sources, gather relevant data, and analyze it thoroughly. Organize your findings logically, and don't forget to support your conclusions with solid evidence. Technique 3. Clarity and conciseness. Technique number 3 focuses on clarity and conciseness. Avoid jargon and complicated language that may confuse your readers. Instead, aim for a clear and straightforward writing style. Use bullet points, headings, and subheadings to break down complex information. Remember, brevity is key to maintaining your audience's attention. Technique 4. Visual enhancements. Enhance the visual appeal of your report with technique number 4. Incorporate relevant visuals such as graphs, charts, and images to illustrate your points. Visuals not only make your report more engaging but can also enhance comprehension. Remember to credit your sources and ensure the visuals are properly labeled and easy to understand. Technique 5. Proofreading and editing. Last but not least, technique number 5 emphasizes the significance of proofreading and editing. Avoid embarrassing spelling and grammatical errors by thoroughly reviewing your report. Editing is your chance to refine your writing, strengthen your arguments, and ensure a cohesive flow. Consider seeking feedback from colleagues or mentors to gain valuable insights. Congratulations! You've learned the 5 essential techniques to write reports like a boss. Remember to establish a clear objective and structure, conduct effective research, maintain clarity and conciseness, utilize visuals, and always proofread and edit your work. With these techniques in your arsenal, you are ready to tackle any report with confidence. Thank you for watching Write Reports Like a Boss. 5 Essential Techniques. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now go out there and become a boss in report writing.